This sweet roll from Legendary is fantastic. All you need is some ice cream, and then 20-gram snack turns into a 40-gram dessert with milk and whey protein. All you need to do to start is just pour 16 ounces of 2% Fairlife milk into a container, and then add 2 scoops of whey protein. Then we're going to blend it so that it's not lumpy before we store it in the freezer. And we'll pour it into the container from the Ninja Creamy and store it overnight for 24 hours. Next day, once we put it in, we're going to select full and then light ice cream and get that started. When it comes out, it may be crumbly, so we're going to put it back in and select respin for smoother texture. Check out this cinnamon roll from Legendary Foods. I used to love Big Texas cinnamon rolls, but this cinnamon roll is only 200 calories and 20 grams of protein. Not sure how they do it, how to make it taste so good, how to make it look so good, but it is tasty, especially if you warm it up in the microwave about 10 to 15 seconds. It's pretty good. And it's a lot healthier for you than the Big Texas cinnamon roll. But what we're going to do here is cut it in half and try to cut it in half as evenly as possible. Ooh, that's really creamy. And by the time the ice cream is done, we're going to take a scoop of ice cream and then drop that in the middle. And then you have yourself a cinnamon roll sandwich. And there you have it, cinnamon roll ice cream sandwich. Let me know in the comments below if you'll try a recipe like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends.